Hello guys, welcome to Tech for Tech. Here is the unboxing video of rugged USB cable from Boat. Let me unbox it. Okay, so here is our rugged USB cable. As you can see, feels tougher. So guys, as the company claims, it can withstand 10,000 plus bends, and after that company is providing 2 years warranty on this product, which is actually good. As you can see, it is covered under a polyethylene coating which makes it tough and rugged. Both end tips are made up of good quality aluminum and are covered under metallic alloy cover. Let me compare it with supplied cable with my phone. As you can see guys, the difference between two cables. One is rugged, one is plain. Quality matters a lot. Yes, it fits very well. I hope you liked the video. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell. Thanks for watching guys.